back to my channel. I'm Lindy. This is Lindiorslife and I'm back for another one. I don't know if I'm gonna use this as my intro, but girls, it's a Sunday reset and we are clearly in the closet. We're starting with closet because the closet looks a mess. You can't even really see, but it looks a mess. So we gotta tackle this because I've been putting it off. And before I do my hair, nails, whatever again in here, I need to get this closet clean. So unrelated, but I also really want to get rid of clothes like that. Yes, I do want to sell some, but some stuff just needs to go. So I've been making a pile on the side. So if you see that pile in this video, that's what's going on. But yeah, I need to do that too because I need to clear out my space. So that's another thing we're tackling in this video. Cleaning this space, but also clearing out this. I'm done. Finally. You know how long this laundry has been plaguing me? We really have to study what that is. Like, what's the phenomenon of I have a task and I push it off for weeks and it takes me 5 minutes. It's actually very sick. But now let me put these up. I'm probably gonna start a little laundry too. And keep adding to my pile of, hold on, that pile right there. Keep adding to my pile of clothes that need to go. Not be sold, but just need to go. And yeah, really get my life together. I've truthfully been neglecting this room for whatever reason, but I just decided I need to handle it. Like, I'm an adult. I need to handle it. So today we're handling it. And me and all my clothes have to get put up. So let's put the babies up.
Our knees, we reach to the sky with our butt. Up, drop. Good. If you want to make it harder, legs can go straight out in front of you instead of having that bend in the knee. Good. Think about pushing through your triceps. Yes. Nice, AJ. Breathe, y'all. Down, up. Engage your low belly. Slowing it down is always welcome if we need that control. Point your toe if you can. Leg is long. Squeeze through those inner thighs. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Gorgeous. Yeah.
These are the colors that I have. I'm thinking, oh my gosh. I think I want the two in the middle because I don't know which one I want. So I think I'm gonna get two. Ooh, no, maybe not because this is not even the concealer that I use. Like, yeah, they changed the formula for this other one. I think I like this one. Welcome back. Okay, I'm back from the Pilates and the shopping, and it is time to sit my booty down and get to work. really not too much work because it's Sunday, but y'all, work has been tearing me up. And as a 9 to 5 girly, I just want to rest. But I know that my next week is going to continue to start off strong. And I kind of just want to make sure all my ducks are in a row before Monday. Sue me. I know this is some nasty shit that I never thought I would say. But I'm about to do some work on a Sunday. Just a little bit, like an hour, maybe an hour and a half, because I need to finish this one thing. That way, when Monday starts, I can do other things. So yeah, I'm going to do that right now. And I also want to plan out my week with y'all, so I'm gonna do that first. And I was gonna sit down and go through my finances, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow, to be honest. I'm just gonna live in bliss until then, because I don't want to look at it right now, because I don't want to deal with it. As far as everything else, I'm getting into the job, and then for the week, because I don't really need to use my iPad for that. Oh my gosh, Nana's birthday is today. It's my friend's birthday, and I did not call her yet. I gotta call her. But okay, not this changing the whole look of me. Close that. As far as the week goes, okay, Monday and Tuesday, I have these 2 projects that I'm gonna be focusing my week on. So for that should be fine. I don't really have to pencil anything in there. My ARE study group is on Tuesday. We know that. That's nothing new to the week. I don't have any, let's see, do I have any Pilates schedule? Oh, I do. Okay, I have a Pilates class on Thursday at 6, and then I think that is all the Pilates classes I have scheduled out. So next week, we're gonna have to schedule our monthly Pilates, because I do it by month. They have like a 5 class package. I just get that scheduled by month. Cool. So next weekend I'll probably do that, because my last class is this Thursday. So cool on that. What else does my week entail? So I think I'm actually good on the week. Let me look at my work schedule whilst we're doing this too, because definitely have to coordinate. Okay, so yeah, I think the week is gonna go the way I want it, just a little bit, but you never know, especially working in architecture. So Monday I have a meeting with Dirt Wall Company, basically just to coordinate with the electrical engineer, and that's at 11:15. And then I have a meeting at 4:30 with my project manager about a project. So that's for the 2 projects I was thinking I was gonna have to work on tomorrow. So that works for me. And then Tuesday, I have some meetings for the same 2 projects I said I'm going to focus on next week. So I think I'm good. I should really only have, I think my Monday, Tuesday, maybe Wednesday are going to be my really hard, got lock-in days. So I think I'm cool on everything else. I'm trying to think. Right, I got the Pilates on Thursday. So yeah, I think it's looking like it's going to be a decent week that's not been stressed. But let me tell you, the last couple weeks have been stressed. I did my first interview for a project at my firm, and basically we put in an RFQ. The people say, okay, like your request, now we need you to come and do an interview for us so we can decide if we want to choose your team to do our project. Now it's our first time doing it. I'm like up all night trying to get together, all this stuff. It really took on my whole last week, and I had mad other stuff to do, so it wasn't the best week, but I got through it. I think I'm doing better at not letting work well, no, I'm not doing better at not stressing me, because it is stressing me, but like it's not taking on like a true mental toll, if that makes sense. Like, I think when I first got really, really busy at work and I'm just trying to make sure I get everything to everybody, that was probably, yeah, taking on a mental toll for me. Like, I was crying a lot. But this time I only cried one time. And it wasn't even like a really big cry. It was just overwhelmed. I cried a little bit, and then I just got it done. So I think I'm doing a little better. Shout out to me. But yeah, I thought I was gonna have more to plan for my week, but I'm pretty much, that's the week. And I need to just go ahead and get this little bit of work knocked out so I can have the rest of my afternoon to myself. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and how let you go down in the DMs. You know, the comment section, let me know how you feel about this video. If you like these 9 to 5 resets, or me sitting down talking about my week and talking about architecture, my ARE test, my first architecture exam is coming up. So I'm definitely gonna give y'all some insight on that as well as we get a little closer to it. So yeah, let me know if you like this, and I will continue. But bye, y'all.